Namaste children. Hi. Let us discuss fifth lesson in 7th class social studies is Europe. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the climate of Europe. The climate of Europe. Okay. The climate of Europe is very cool in winter and quite cold in summer. The climate of Europe is very cool in winter and quite cold in summer. The climate of Europe is not so warm as like India. The climate of Europe is not so warm like India. The climate of Europe is very cool in winter and quite cold in summer. Why? The climate of Europe is very cool in winter and quite cold in summer. Why? Why it is not warm like India? Why? Because Europe is located away from the equator. The Europe continent is located away from the equator. The places that are located near to the equatorial region, the places that are located near to the equatorial region, the climate will be hot. Why? Because sun rays falls directly on equatorial region. Sun rays falls directly on equatorial region. When sun rays falls directly on equatorial region, the climate is very hot in the equatorial regions. The climate is very hot in the equatorial regions. The places that are away from equator gets cool climate. The places that are away from equator gets cool climate. Why? Means the sun rays fall slantingly. The sun rays fall slantingly on the places that are away from the equator. So the climate is cool. Because of this reason, the climate of Europe is very cool in winter and quite cold in summer. Why? Because the continent of Europe is located away from the equator. As sun rays fall slantingly on Europe continent, the climate of Europe is very cool in winter and quite cold in summer. Okay, children. Now my question is, in winter season, the Eastern Europe, in winter season, the Eastern Europe experiences heavy snowfall and bitter cold. The water bodies in Eastern Europe get freezes throughout the year. Whereas in the same winter season, if you take Western Europe countries, it is warm comparatively to Eastern Europe countries. The water bodies in Western Europe do not freeze. Why? This is my question now. Children, listen carefully. Okay, Eastern European countries means like Ukraine, Belarus, Poland, Russia. Eastern European countries like Ukraine, Belarus, Poland, Russia experiences very cold climate in winter. These Ukraine, Belarus, Poland, Russia experiences very cold climate in winter. The water bodies, the rivers in Ukraine, Belarus, Poland, Russia freezes throughout the year. In most of the days in a year, the water bodies in Eastern Europe or the rivers in Ukraine, Belarus, Poland, Russia become freezed in most of the days in a year. Whereas the climate of Western Europe during winter season is warm comparatively to Eastern Europe. That is, Western European countries means like France, Germany, Poland, Spain. In these countries, the climate is very warm comparatively to Eastern Europe during winter season. Here, the rivers in Western Europe do not freeze. Why? That is my question now. Why means, let me give me the answer for this question now. Here, the wind blow, okay, from Atlantic Ocean to Europe, from southwest direction to northeast direction, from southwest direction to northeast direction. Here, one type of wind blows from Atlantic Ocean to Europe. That is, from this wind blows from southwest direction to northeast direction. Southwest direction to northeast direction. This wind is called westerlies. These winds are called westerlies. Let me explain the westerlies wind from the textbook. See, this is a wind The wind, this is the wind that blow permanently throughout the year from Atlantic Ocean to Western Europe continent. From Atlantic Ocean to Western Europe continent. Okay, these winds are called westerlies. These winds are warm and moist. These winds are warm and moist. Why westerlies winds are warm and moist? Why? Because westerlies winds. Why westerlies winds are warm? Why means here North Atlantic Ocean is warm. The water in North Atlantic Ocean is warm. As the wind blow above the North Atlantic Ocean, hence the water in North Atlantic Ocean is warm. Hence the water in North Atlantic Ocean is warm. The wind that blows above the North Atlantic Ocean also warm. When the winds are warm, they carry moisture from the sea. When the winds are warm, they carry the moisture, means thermal from the sea. So, yes, these westerly winds are warm and moist. The westerly winds are warm and moist. They blow from Atlantic Ocean to Europe throughout the year from southwest direction to northeast direction. From southwest direction to northeast direction. Yes, this westerly wind blow from southwest direction to northeast direction. And these winds are warm and moist. Because of this reason, the Western Europe climate is warm during winter season comparatively in Eastern Europe. So only the water bodies in Western Europe do not freeze. Okay, whereas this westerly wind do not blow to Eastern Europe. As a result, during winter season, Eastern Europe gets heavy snowfall and very cool climate, bitter cool climate. The water bodies, the rivers in Eastern Europe get freeze. Once again, children, listen carefully. I'll explain from the blackboard. Here, why the climate of Western Europe during winter season is warm comparatively in Eastern Europe. Why the water bodies or the rivers in Western Europe do not freeze during winter season, whereas the water bodies in Eastern Europe freeze during winter season. Why? Why? Because here one type of wind blows that type of wind is called westerlies. This westerlies wind blows from Atlantic Ocean to Western Europe, not for Eastern Europe. The westerlies wind blow from Atlantic Ocean to Western Europe, not for Eastern Europe. This westerlies wind blow from southwest direction to northeast direction. This westerlies wind blows from southwest direction to northeast direction, that is from Atlantic Ocean to Western Europe. These winds are warm and moist. Why westerlies winds are warm and moist? Why? Why? Because the water in North Atlantic Ocean is warm. The water in the North Atlantic Ocean is warm. The wind that blow above the North Atlantic Ocean also becomes warm. When the winds are warm, they carry the moisture from Atlantic Ocean to Western Europe. Yes, the westerly winds are warm and moist, blow permanently throughout the year from southwest direction to northeast direction, that is from Atlantic Ocean to Europe. Because of this reason, the climate of Western Europe is warm, and the rivers in Western Europe do not freeze, whereas this westerly wind do not blow in Eastern Europe. Yes, the westerly wind do not blow in Eastern Europe. The climate of Eastern Europe is very cool in winter, and water bodies, that means rivers in Eastern Europe, freezes in most of the days in a year. This is one reason, children. The second reason is warm ocean current. Warm ocean current. What is first, before discussing about warm ocean current, let me know about what is meant by ocean current. What is meant by ocean current? Yeah, ocean, you know that one. Okay, a huge salt water body is called ocean. Current. Current means flowing. Current, the water in the ocean flows, is called current. Don't think another way. Current means the electricity is produced in the ocean is called current. Don't think in that manner. That is wrong statement. A current means nothing but the water in the ocean flows. The water in the ocean is not a static. The water in the ocean is not a static. The water in the ocean flows from one place to other place. The water in the ocean flows from one place to other place. Based on temperature, ocean currents are two types. Based on temperature, ocean currents are classified in two types. One is warm ocean current, cold ocean current. One is warm ocean current, other one is cold ocean current. Warm ocean current that originate at equatorial region, and flow towards polar region. Warm ocean current, as the water in the ocean is warm, as the ocean currents are warm, or as the water in the ocean is warm, okay, it's called warm ocean current. Okay, now the warm ocean current originated at equator. Okay, that is the warm water in the ocean starts at equator and flow towards polar region. These ocean currents are called warm ocean current. Cold ocean current means, okay, the cold water in the ocean originate from polar region is called cold ocean current. The cold water in the ocean originate from polar region and flow towards equatorial region. Flow towards equatorial region is called cold ocean current. Once again, children, what is meant by ocean current? Yeah, ocean current means don't think in other way. The current or electricity produced in ocean is called ocean current. That is wrong statement, children. Ocean current. Ocean means huge salt water body is called ocean. Current means flowing. Okay, flowing of water in the ocean. Flowing of water in the ocean like a river. Flowing of water in the ocean is like a river. Okay, the water in the ocean is not static. The water in the ocean flows from one place to other place. The water in the ocean flows one place to other place like the river for thousands of kilometers. That is called ocean current. Once again, children, what is meant by ocean current? The water in the ocean flows. It's called ocean current. The water in the ocean flows. That is called ocean current. Okay, here the ocean current flows for thousands of kilometers. Based on temperature, ocean currents are classified in two types: warm ocean current, cold ocean current. Warm ocean current means as ocean currents are warm, as water in the oceans are warm, flow from equatorial region to polar region called warm ocean current. Cold ocean currents means as the water in the oceans are cool, originate from polar region and flow towards equatorial region is called cold ocean current. Now based on speed, again the ocean currents are classified into two types. Based on speed, again the ocean current classified into two types. One is stream, other is drift. One is stream, other is drift. What is meant by stream? What is meant by stream? The water in the ocean flows speed. The water in the ocean flows at high speed is called stream. The water in the ocean flows at high speed is called stream. What is meant by drift? The water in the ocean flows slowly is called drift. The water in the ocean flows slowly is called drift. Okay, children. Now let me discuss about warm ocean current. The warm ocean current means as water in the ocean is warm, as the water in the ocean is warm in the equatorial region. Okay, as water is warm in the ocean in the equatorial region, the current is called warm ocean current. Warm ocean current originated at equatorial region. Warm ocean current is originated at equatorial region. Okay, warm ocean current means the water in the ocean is warm, originated at equatorial region, flow towards polar region. Okay, the warm ocean currents, as warm ocean currents are warm, they originate in equatorial region. From there it flows for thousands of kilometers and flows along the coastal areas of America continent. These warm ocean currents flows for thousands of kilometers and flows along the eastern coast of America continent. From there this warm ocean current flow towards Europe, flow towards Western Europe, Okay, now why the warm ocean current flows from eastern coast of America continent to Europe continent? Why? As westerly wind blow from southwest direction to northeast direction. As westerly wind blow from southwest direction to northeast direction is from Atlantic Ocean to Europe. This westerly wind makes the warm ocean current to flow from eastern coast of America to Europe continent. Eastern coast of America to Western Europe continent. As a result, the warm ocean current flows from eastern coast of America to Western Europe. When the warm ocean current flows towards Western Europe continent, the climate of West Europe becomes warm. The climate of Western Europe gets warm climate during winter season. The water in the river do not freeze. So only the water bodies or the rivers in the Western Europe do not freeze during winter season because of this warm ocean current flow towards Europe. Even the water bodies or rivers in eastern coast of America also do not freeze. Why? Because warm ocean current flow towards eastern coast of America. Okay. What is the name of the warm ocean current in America? Gulf Stream. What is the name of the warm ocean current in America? Gulf Stream. Why ocean currents in America are called Gulf Stream? Why ocean currents in America are called Gulf Stream? Why? Because this warm ocean current flow in Gulf of Mexico region. This region is called Gulf of Mexico region. Warm ocean current flows in Gulf of Mexico region. So it is called Gulf. Why it is called stream? The water in the ocean flows at high speed. The water in the ocean flows at high speed. So the name of the warm ocean current in America is Gulf Stream. What is the name of the warm ocean current in Europe continent? What is the name of the warm ocean current in Western Europe continent? Called North Atlantic Drift. North Atlantic Drift. North Atlantic Drift. The name of the warm ocean current in Europe continent is North Atlantic Drift. Why it is called North Atlantic Drift? Because the warm ocean current flows in North Atlantic Ocean. So it is called North Atlantic. Why it is called drift? The water in the ocean flows slowly here. The water in the ocean flows slowly. So it is called North Atlantic Drift. As warm ocean current flows towards Europe, that warm ocean current is called North Atlantic Drift. Because of this North Atlantic Drift, Western Europe gets many benefit. Western Europe gets many benefit. How? When the warm ocean current flows towards Europe, this warm ocean current consists sufficient food material for fish called plankton. Sufficient food material for fish called plankton. Again, this warm ocean current consists sufficient food material for fish called plankton. Your fish breeds develop here. Here, this warm ocean current is good for fish breeding. This warm ocean current is good for fish breeding. Your fishes grows plenty in this region. Okay, here this part of the North, this is North Sea. This part of North Sea is called Dogger Bank. This part of North Sea is called Dogger Bank, where cod fishes available in plenty. Cod, C-O-D, cod. This part of North Sea is called Dogger Bank, where cod fishes are available in plenty. Okay, why this part of North Sea is called Dogger Bank? Why? Why means, the people of Netherlands are called Dutch. The people of Netherlands are called Dutch. These Dutch people from Netherlands comes to this part of North Sea. Comes to this part of North Sea with help of small boat called Dogger. With help of small boat called Dogger and catch the codfish here. And catch they catch the codfish here, or they hunt the codfish here. As Dutch people comes to this part of North Sea with the help of Dogger boat and hunt the codfishes. So this part of North Sea called Dogger Bank. This part of North Sea is called Dogger Bank. Fish is the important food for the Europeans. Fish is the important food for the Europeans. As fishes are found plenty in Dogger Bank, fishery is the important industry in Europe. Fishery is the important industry in Europe. Children, so far we discussed about warm ocean current. Once again, children, let me explain about the warm ocean current now in brief. Okay, the warm ocean current means the water in the ocean is warm, flows from equatorial region to polar region. It's called warm ocean current. What is warm ocean current? The water in the ocean is warm, starts from equatorial region and flows towards polar region. This warm ocean current originates the equator, flows for thousands of kilometers, and it travels along the eastern coast of America. From there, this ocean current flows towards Europe continent. Okay, this ocean current flows towards Europe continent. It is from southwest direction to northeast direction. Why the warm ocean current flows from eastern coast of America to Europe continent? Why? Because the westerlies wind blows from southwest direction to northeast direction. The westerlies wind blows from southwest direction to northeast direction. That is from Atlantic Ocean to Europe. This westerlies wind makes the warm ocean current to flow from America to Europe continent as westerlies wind blows from southwest to northeast direction. As westerlies wind blows from Atlantic Ocean to Europe, this makes warm ocean current flow towards from eastern coast of America continent to Europe. As a result, the warm ocean currents flows from eastern coast of America continent to Europe. When warm ocean current flow towards Europe, the climate of Europe is warm during winter season. The rivers in Europe continent do not freeze. This is the reason, children. So, why the rivers in Western Europe do not freeze? Why the climate of Europe is warm comparatively with the Eastern Europe countries? Why? Because of westerlies wind blows from southwest direction to northeast direction. That's from Atlantic Ocean to Europe permanently throughout the year. And the warm ocean current also originates in equator, flows for thousands of kilometers. Okay, and it flows along the continent, eastern coast of America continent. From there it flows towards Europe. Okay, yes, warm ocean current flows from equatorial region to coastal areas of America. From coastal areas of America to Europe, the climate of Europe is warm during winter season comparatively with Eastern Europe countries. The westerlies wind blows from Atlantic Ocean to Europe, and the warm ocean current flows from equatorial region to eastern coast of America continent. From eastern coast of America continent, warm ocean current flows towards Western Europe continent. As a result, the rivers in Western Europe do not freeze. Okay, children. Now my question is, what is the name of the warm ocean current in America? What is the name of the warm ocean current in America? Called Gulf Stream. The name of the warm ocean current in America is Gulf Stream. Okay, why it is called Gulf Stream? Because the warm ocean current flows at the Gulf of Mexico. Okay, Gulf of Mexico is in Central America. Gulf of Mexico is in Central America. The warm ocean current flows at Gulf of Mexico, so it is called Gulf. And the water in the ocean flows at high speed, so it is called stream. So only Americans name the warm ocean current in America is called Gulf Stream. Okay, now what is the name of the warm ocean current in Europe continent? What is the name of the warm ocean current in Europe continent? Called North Atlantic Drift. North Atlantic Drift. Why it is called North Atlantic Drift? Why? Because warm ocean current flows in North Atlantic Ocean, so it is called North Atlantic. The water in the ocean flows very slowly, so it is called drift. So the name of the warm ocean current in Europe continent is North Atlantic Drift. Okay, this North Atlantic Drift gives more benefit to Western European countries. The North Atlantic Drift gives more benefit to Western European countries. Why? Because as North Atlantic Drift as warm ocean current, as North Atlantic Drift is nothing but a warm ocean current, this warm ocean current has sufficient food for fish called plankton. As this warm ocean current called North Atlantic Drift in Europe continent, as the warm ocean current in Europe continent is called North Atlantic Drift, consists sufficient food for fish called plankton. As a result, fish breeds well here. Fish breeds well here. So plenty of cod fishes are available in this part of North Sea. Plenty of cod fishes, cod fishes are available in plenty in this part of North Sea. This part of North Sea is called Dogger Bank. This part of North Sea is called Dogger Bank. Why this part of the North Sea is called Dogger Bank? The people of Netherlands called Dutch. These people of Netherlands called Dutch people, they came to this part of North Sea with a small boat called Dogger, and under the cod fishes in this part of North Sea. So only this part of North Sea is called Dogger Bank. Food is the important, fish is the important food for the Europeans. Fishery is the important industry for the Europeans. Next children, we discuss about Western Europeans. Western Europe gets rainfall throughout the year. Okay, now my next question is, why Western Europe gets rainfall throughout the year? Why Western Europe gets showers? Okay, throughout the year, shower means rainfall. Shower means rainfall. Why Western Europe gets rainfall, showers throughout the year? Why? Because the westerlies wind blow from southwest direction to northeast direction. That's from Atlantic Ocean to Western Europe continent. These westerlies winds are warm. They carry the moisture from the sea and blow towards the Western Europe. As they carry moisture from the sea and blow towards Western Europe, these westerlies bring rainfall to the Western European countries throughout the year. Why? Because westerlies wind blow throughout the year from southwest direction to northeast direction. That's from Atlantic Ocean to Europe, West Europe continent. As westerlies wind blow permanently from Atlantic Ocean to Europe, permanently, this brings rainfall to Western Europe throughout the year. How it brings rainfall throughout the year? These westerlies, as I said before, westerlies winds are warm. Yes, they are warm. They carry the moisture, that is thermal from the sea, okay, and blow towards these Western European countries. Blow towards the Western European countries. As westerlies wind carries moisture from the sea and blow towards Western European countries, it brings rainfall for the Western European countries throughout the year. So only the people of Western Europe wait for bright sunny days. Whereas the people of India wait for cool showers. The people of India wait for cloudy days and cool showers. Whereas the people of Europe wait for bright sunny days. Why? Because rainfall occurs for all the months in the year in Western European countries. Whereas rain occurred only few months in India. Whereas rain occurred few months in India, Indians, they eagerly wait for cool showers and cloudy days. Whereas the rainfall occurs in Western Europe throughout the year, so the Europeans wait for bright sunny days. Children, now discuss about last concept is Mediterranean climate. Mediterranean climate. You see, the countries that are surrounded near Mediterranean Sea is called Mediterranean climate. The Mediterranean countries, what is meant by Mediterranean country? The states or the country, the region that surrounded by Mediterranean Sea is called Mediterranean countries. You can see, southern part of Spain, Italy, Greece, Ukraine. These countries are called Mediterranean countries. Even Turkey, but it's not belong to Europe, belong to Asia continent. Even you can say Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Egypt. Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Tunisia. These countries also are surrounded by Mediterranean Sea. So these countries also called Mediterranean countries. But this Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Egypt not belong to Europe continent. They belong to Africa continent. Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Egypt are belong to Africa continent. But they are surrounded by Mediterranean Sea. What is meant by Mediterranean countries? The countries that surrounded by Mediterranean Sea are called Mediterranean countries. These Mediterranean countries gets Mediterranean climate. These Mediterranean countries gets Mediterranean climate. Mediterranean countries nothing but southern Europe. Mediterranean countries nothing but southern Europe. This is southern Europe. Southern part of Spain, southern part of France, Italy. Next you can see Greece, Bulgaria, Romania, Albania, Montenegro, Bosnia, Yugoslavia, Ukraine. These are southern part of European countries. Not only southern part of European countries comes under Mediterranean country, even Turkey, this is Turkey. is Morocco. Turkey is in Asia. Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt. These countries are in African continent. These countries also located near Mediterranean Sea. So these countries are called Mediterranean countries. But here we are not discussing about the Asian countries like Turkey or African countries like Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Egypt. Here we are discussing only about Southern European countries. Southern European countries are located near Mediterranean Sea. So they are called Mediterranean countries. These Mediterranean countries gets Mediterranean climate. Mediterranean climate means the southern European countries do not get rainfall throughout the year. They get rainfall only in winter season. Southern European countries do not get rainfall throughout the year. They get rainfall only in winter season. Why Southern Europe get rainfall only in winter season? Because westerly wind blows in Southern Europe during winter season. Westerly wind do not blow throughout the year in Southern Europe. Whereas westerly wind blows from southwest direction to northeast direction, is from Atlantic Ocean to Western Europe throughout the year. The westerly wind blows towards Western Europe throughout the year. So Western Europe gets rainfall throughout the year. Whereas the westerly wind do not blow in Southern Europe throughout the year. The westerly wind blows only at Southern Europe during winter season. The westerly wind blows towards Southern Europe during winter season. Yes, the westerly wind blows towards Southern Europe during winter season. Okay, this westerly wind carries moisture from the sea and brings rainfall to the Southern Europe. Okay, so only Southern Europe gets rainfall during winter season. My question, children, now listen very carefully. Why Southern Europe gets rainfall during only winter season? Why? Because westerly wind do not blow at Southern Europe throughout the year. These westerly wind are warm and moist wind. They blow in Southern Europe only at winter season. So only rainfall occurs in Southern Europe only in winter season. In summer the climate is dry. In summer the climate is dry. Such kind of climate is called Mediterranean climate. Mediterranean climate is nothing but in winter rainfall occurs, summers are dry. Rainy winters, dry summers are called Mediterranean climate. Rainy winters, dry summers are called Mediterranean climate. As southern part of Spain, France, Italy, Austria, Bosnia, Yugoslavia, Romania, Bulgaria, Greece, Albania, Montenegro, Ukraine. As the southern European countries located near to Mediterranean Sea, they get Mediterranean climate. Mediterranean climate means in winter they get rainfall, in summer they get dry climate. In winter they get rainfall, in summer they get dry climate. Okay, why they get rainfall only in winter season, not for throughout the year? The westerly wind blows at southern Europe only in winter season. The westerly wind blows at southern Europe only in winter season, not throughout the year. As westerly wind blows only in winter season in southern Europe, as a result, rainfall occurs only in winter. Rainfall occurs only in winter at southern Europe region. In summer, southern Europe gets dry climate. In southern Europe gets rainy winter, dry summer. Southern Europe gets Mediterranean climate. This climate is suitable to cultivate juicy fruits. Like olive, figs, grapes, oranges. Olive, figs, grapes, oranges. Okay, these kinds of juicy fruits are favorable to cultivate in southern Europe. Why? Because southern Europe has Mediterranean climate. Children, so far we discussed about the climate of Europe. I hope you understand this lesson. Keep the textbook in front of you. First see the video, then go through the topic from the textbook. Again you see the video so that you will understand this topic very much better. Okay, keep watching these videos till you understand, children. We will meet you in next video. In next video, we are going to discuss about the 4 seasons in Europe continent. 4 seasons in Europe continent. Thank you for watching my videos, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.